George and his dad are still on their adventure in the Dinosaur Age. One day, they saw Little Wings, the Ambopteryx dinosaur, flying towards them. He was shouting something.
Help! Help! There's a sandstorm coming!
Stay calm. The pinyin spell. An, ein, yin, wen, yun. Come in, Ambopteryx. George and his dad ran into the forest for safety. When they entered the forest, George's dad used the pinyin spell. An, en, yin, wen, yun. Come out, Ambopteryx.
Are you all right, Little Wings?
I'm fine. Thank you for saving me. But we must warn the Queen. The sandstorm is huge. Everyone is in danger.
The Queen was a Parasaurolophus dinosaur. After Little Wings told her about the sandstorm, she thought for a moment.
We should go deeper into the forest to keep away from the sandstorm.
The Queen gave a loud call. All the dinosaurs in the forest heard her call from far away.
A sandstorm is coming!
All the dinosaurs rushed deep into the forest.
Be careful! Stay in line, everyone!
I don't see Ardonyx. We must tell him about the sandstorm.
Don't worry, Little Wings. We will find him.
Thank you. I'm counting on you.
George and his dad didn't find Ardonyx. Instead, they saw Bagaceratops.
Do you know where Ardonyx is?
I think I do. Come with me. Ardonyx was relaxing in his cave.
Don't you know? There's sandstorm coming.
What? A sandstorm? Run! Ardonyx was slow, much slower than the sandstorm. George couldn't wait.
The pinging spell. Yeah, yue, yun, yin, yun, ying. Come in, Ardonyx.
Suddenly, there was a loud crack sound. A tree was falling. It was going to hit George and his dad.
Aha! There you are! Give me the backpack!
It was Prince T-Rex. He stopped the tree from falling and saved everyone. Prince T-Rex, no! I can't give you my backpack. George, we must go and help the dinosaurs.
I will help the dinosaurs, and then you will give me the backpack.
No way!
How dare you refuse? I am offering to help.
Prince T-Rex roared. All the T-Rexes in the forest heard his command.
The prince is ordering us to help the dinosaurs.
The dinosaurs were safely hiding deep in the forest, all except the Queen.
Pardon me, Your Majesty. We must hurry. The pinging spell. Ing, come in, Parasaurolophus.
George and his dad joined the other dinosaurs deep in the forest. The sandstorm blew and howled for a very long time. Finally, the sandstorm passed.
Don't forget our deal. You must give me the backpack.
I didn't agree to the deal at all.
If you don't give me the backpack, I'll eat you.
If you don't leave right away, we will all fight you.
Prince T-Rex hesitated and then went away angrily. George was very interested in the new pinion spells and asked Dad to teach him. Dad made the spells into a nursery rhyme, and they started to sing together. What a fun day!
Please answer the following question.
Why did George put Ardonyx in the pinion ball? Answer 1. Ardonyx walked too slowly. Answer 2. Ardonyx didn't want to go. Answer 3. Ardonyx wanted to steal the backpack.